There's a hole there you can get down. It says easy hole. Whether it's an easy hole or not, I'm not too sure. But then down here to the left, you got a big cavern here. Tonight I'm wild camping here at the Crank Caverns here in St Helens. Loads of urban stories about this, urban myths. One story was 4 children went into these caverns. Only one came out, told everybody that his friends had been captured by little dwarfs with green eyes, luminous green eyes. They sent soldiers down to look for the bodies, or for the children, and come to a big cathedral area inside the caverns where they seen like a church altar, candles everywhere, bones, human skulls, all neatly placed. To say the least, they never found the children, but they also never found the green dwarfs either. Another story is during World War II, munitions were stored here, and another one that I've heard was just before the Battle of Red Bank, Oliver Cromwell stayed here overnight. So is the ghost here at Crank Caverns? Well, we'll soon see when nightfall comes. Well, this is a turn up for the books. I've only got my son here and one of my friends, Tom. So there's Tom.
I'm a bit more than a friend, thank you very much. Nice to meet you guys.
Yes, he's ginger. Someone's got to be ginger anyway, so we can take the piss out of somebody tonight. Hey! And there's my lad.
Are you alright?
Look at the size of him.
He is on a hill.
Yeah.
He is on a hill.
So it's going to be fun again tonight because the wife sent him down to keep an eye on me, especially because of my dodgy knee. So there's going to be 3 of us staying in Crank Caverns tonight, and we're actually going to sleep inside the caves. So why do you come and join us? Don't forget hit the subscribe button. Don't forget hit the hype button. Don't forget to like, even leave a comment. Tell me where we're going to stay next. But look at these views, absolutely outstanding. Look at that. Let's just get down here and show you. Obviously the farmer's done his wheat, but look at these, the stunning views. So what do you think of that? So last week I stayed at Carmill on my own, but tonight I've got company, so it's going to be fun and games tonight. I'm going to get a little fire going, I'm going to cook some food as well because they brought some food. So yep, happy with that. They've also got a little glass of wine for me, well a little bottle of wine for me, so we're going to sit down, a little fire, safe fire, because we're going to be very precautious over it because obviously the ground's still very dry, especially because of all the heat. But I've also got my camp stove as well, so I'll make the evaluation, but we might find like a little dirt patch like this here and just set up a little fire and then clean up in the morning, make sure it looks, you know, aesthetically right, so we're not leaving a mark. Right, the sun's setting now, so we're going to go down into the caves, have a little mooch round, see if we can find a good spot to set up camp. Hopefully we can find the green-eyed dwarfs down in the caverns. Hopefully see some spooky stuff, see some bats, etc. But yeah, it's looking promising tonight because there's not a cloud, it's all nice clear sky. So hopefully we get some good light coming into the cave as well, which would help the head torches. We've got a really powerful head torch, which you've seen in the intro. So yeah, all good stuff. Right, so the campfire's all lit now, and we have got the chef in action. So there you go.
So we're either going to die by death or food poisoning.
So what we have here is the frying pan.
Want the sausages first?
And it's over charcoal, proper charcoal, so not wood, but charcoal. So it's simmering nice. It's all gone white now. It's all looking really good. Keeps the mozzies away as well. And we've got sausage, steak. What else? We got chicken. cheese,
Pork loins.
farms, pork loins.
Salt and chili pork bellies. The lot.
So it's a feast for the king, as you can say.
Al fresco.
Good camping food. So chef's now starting. So we'll tune in when it's cooked. Look at the sausages. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. The cheese. The bun man. Chef. Yeah, look at this here. Bun man. Chef. Cheese. The cheese, there's the buns. Right guys, so sausages are all done now. Chef there, bun man. Getting the cheese on there, and this man here, I think it's Chris Higgett from Blackpool, £1 burger. Chris Higgett, your burgers are better, I'll be honest mate, even though they're only £1.
Nah, they're not, mate, because they're not made in the woods. We're in the
Oh,
woods.
there you go.
We're
Sorry,
in
sorry
the
Chris.
woods.
Sorry
In the
Chris.
woods.
Sorry Chris. I've got to second that. See you. Right guys, so glass of wine in hand here, and the sausages are all done now. Steaks coming on, chicken's getting on. Here's the bun man. I think it's Chris Higgett from Blackpool, £1 burger, but
I'm
obviously
better.
he's
'cause
better.
I'm in the woods.
So that's all the stuff. Cheers guys. Looking forward to this. Can't beat a bit of camping, can you? Absolutely delicious. Can't beat a bit of camp food, can you? Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Sausage and cheese. Cheers guys. Absolutely beautiful night tonight, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, food's really good tonight. I've really enjoyed the food, enjoyed the company. It's good to catch up with my lad, because I've not seen him for a while. And Tom, what a lad, it's so funny. He is so funny. So yeah, the fire's lit now, we're burning nicely. As you can see, a bit of smoke there. But it's all under control and everything's really good. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and don't forget to hype the video. Would really appreciate that, because it all helps my channel. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, so the barbecue's all been done now, we've eaten. A couple of pieces of steak left over, but yeah, we've got the log on for the fire for the night. That'll burn nicely, and in the morning it should be fully burnt out. But we'll make sure in the morning that it's all extinguished properly and removed from site. So yeah, not a bad night tonight. Fat snoring pig. Good morning everybody, and how are you lot? Me? I had a cracking night's sleep, waking up to the views like this. Absolutely stunning. And the sound of a woodpecker just above me. So yeah, a few beers too many last night. Fell straight to sleep. because I've obviously been working as well. Day just caught up with me. But yeah, it was a really good night's sleep. And there's Tom there wrapping up. So yeah, brilliant. I mean, wild camping, you can't beat wild camping. Especially when it's there, blue skies, etc. But yeah, top nights, really good company. And really lovely area. I would highly recommend Crank Caverns. As for the caverns, when I walked around last night, didn't really see much. It was too dark anyway. Didn't see any little green men or little dwarfs or whatever they are. Didn't see no ghosts, but yeah, really good night though. Really good night. Food was lovely, food was delicious. But yeah, views like this. What a fantastic night camping last night. Really enjoyed it. Absolutely superb. Walking up to the side of the woodpecker above my head this morning. Pecking away. Really good company, really good night. In the cabins, no green-eyed dwarfs down there, no ghosts. It's relatively quiet. But yeah, overall, fantastic night. Absolutely fantastic. So if you can hit that subscribe button, really appreciate it. Hit the like button and hit the hype button as well, because it all helps my channel. Anyway, leave me a comment of where I can go camping next. Until the next video, catch you later. Bye. Stunning views. Absolutely stunning.